today's topic is, so we're continuing with functions, and we're going to tell if a function is even, odd, or neither. So what that means is these functions are even. So if we're looking at a graph, they are even because they are a reflection of each other over this y-axis. So if I folded this graph on top of the y-axis, the left side of the graph and the right side of the graph are the exact same. So this part of the graph and this part of the graph are the exact same. It's a mirror image. Same thing with this graph. If I folded this graph along the y-axis, just like so, the left side of the graph and the right side of the graph are the same. So it's a reflection over the y-axis, or it's symmetrical about the y-axis. So I'm going to say symmetry over the y-axis. So same thing if I drew a line across this y-axis. The left side of the graph, so the left part and this right part, if I fold it, they're the exact same thing. Okay? So that's how I can tell it if it is an even function graphically. Now I'm going to look at odd functions graphically. So if I look at these graphs, they are all odd. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to go to this page. So these are my graphs. I have 3 odd graphs. So if I look, and I'm going to copy them. So if I take these odd graphs, and if I rotate them, a 180 degrees, okay, is this graph the exact same as that graph? Are those the same? Yes, they are. So that is why it is a odd function, because there is symmetry about the origin. So if I rotate it all the way around, so this y is now at the bottom, they are the exact same. Same thing with this graph. Is this graph and this graph the exact same? Yes, they are. So that's why it is a odd function, because it has symmetry about the origin. So if I rotated it 180 degrees, so rotated it around, they're the exact same graph still. And then the last one, this purple graph and this purple graph. When I rotated it all the way around, is this graph and this graph the same? Yes, they are. So that is why these are odd functions, because they have symmetry about the origin. So if you rotate the graph 180 degrees, so the top, if you put a y at the top, the y is going to now be at the bottom. And so that's what it means when it has symmetry about that's the origin. And that's what it means. Okay, so now I'm going to look at how can I tell if the graph is even, odd, or neither from a algebraically, or from a equation. Okay. So it's very simple. And I'm going to show you with an example, because it'll probably make a little bit more sense. So algebraically, if f of negative x is the same thing of f of x, okay? So right here, I'm going to plug in negative x into this equation. So I have x, so that's negative x squared plus 4, okay? Well, I know that negative x squared is equal to negative x times negative x. And I know that negative x times negative x is a positive x squared, because a negative times a negative makes a positive. So no matter what that number is, it's always going to be a positive x squared. And then that's just plus 4. Okay? Is this equation the same as the original equation? Yes, they are the same. So since these two equations are the same, that means that we have just proved that this function is even. Because when I plugged negative x into the equation, it's still the exact same equation as it was originally, so that would make it even. So now we're going to look at how to tell if an equation or a function is odd. I'm going to use the same method. I'm going to plug negative x into this equation. So I have negative x to the third power minus 2 times negative x. Okay, so I have negative x to the third power, and so I know that negative x to the third power is negative x times negative x times negative x. I know a negative times a negative makes that a positive x squared, but then I'm multiplying it again times a negative number, so that's negative x to the third power. So this is negative x to the third power. And then right here, I have a negative 2 times a negative x. A negative times a negative makes a positive 2x. Okay? And what you should notice is that these equations are very similar. But what's different about them? Okay? You should notice that the signs flipped. Positive x to the third, now this is negative x to the third. This was a negative 2x, now it's a positive 2x. So if all of the signs flip, this sign flipped and this sign flipped, that would make it an odd function. Okay? So now we're going to look at, well, how do we tell if it's even, if it's not even, and it's not odd? So the last example we're going to look at is going to be neither one of these. It's not going to be even, and it's not going to be odd. So let's first look at x squared minus 3x plus 4. We're going to use the same technique. I'm going to plug negative x into this equation. So I have negative x squared minus 3 times negative x plus 4. Okay? So I know that negative x squared, because I did it up here, is going to be a positive x squared. Okay? Right here, negative 3 times a negative x. Negative times a negative makes a positive 3x. And then just plus 4 at the end. Okay? So now let's look, is it even? Did all of these signs stay the same? Positive x squared, positive x squared. I'm good. But this says negative 3x. This says positive 3x. So it cannot be even because this sign and this sign are not the same thing. So now let's see if it is odd. And let me use a different color. Let's just use blue. Okay? So now if it's odd, x squared, these are the exact same thing. So it can't be odd because the sign did not flip. That means it is neither. Or neither, because all of the signs did not stay the same, or all of the signs did not flip. Okay, and that's it. Please make sure you are taking notes as you watch this video because you will submit them in another assignment.